Good morning and welcome back to the BK Crypto Weekly Roundup. I'm your host, Ansel, and I've got my coffee ready.
And I'm Kimberly. It's great to be here. This week felt like a big one, Ansel. The energy in the market definitely shifted.
It absolutely did. And it all started with one man, Jerome Powell. The Fed chair gave his big speech from Jackson Hole.
Right, the big one.
And, while he didn't explicitly say we're cutting rates tomorrow, the market just heard what it wanted to hear. The hint of a more dovish risk-on policy sent assets soaring.
And by soaring, you mean Ether absolutely blasting off.
Yeah.
We saw it surge past its 2021 record, touching above $4,885? It was a sight to see. After months of sideways action, that felt like a major breakout.
It was huge, and it wasn't just a simple price move.
Right.
This was fueled by what's called a short squeeze. So for anyone new to this, imagine a bunch of people betting that a stock, or in this case a coin, will go down.
Okay.
When the price suddenly shoots up instead, they all have to rush to buy the coin back to cover their losses, which just pushes the price even higher. It's a chain reaction.
A very expensive chain reaction for some.
Right.
We saw about $120 million in those short bets liquidated on ETH in just a single hour.
Wow.
It's a powerful reminder of how much influence traditional finance policy, how much it has on the crypto world now. The two are more connected than ever.
That's a great point. And speaking of connections between the old world and the new, is about a very well-known name making a very strategic push into crypto, Eric Trump.
Right. And this is far more than just, a celebrity putting Bitcoin in their Twitter bio.
Eric is now a strategic advisor for MetaPlanet, a Japanese company that's basically following that Michael Saylor MicroStrategy playbook. Accumulate Bitcoin as a treasury asset.
And he's not just advising.
Oh. Eric and his brother Palofan have co-founded a company called American Quip, and their goal is to acquire firms in crypto-friendly places like Japan and Hong Kong to use as vehicles for stockpiling even more Bitcoin.
It's a fascinating strategy. They're not just buying crypto.
Right.
They're buying the corporate infrastructure to hold it on a massive scale. So when he gets on stage and predicts Bitcoin will hit, $175,000 this year? It carries a different weight because you can see the corporate machinery being built to back that vision.
Exactly. It's one thing to be bullish. It's another to build your business around that belief.
Right.
And the focus on Asia is no accident.
Right.
While the U.S. is still figuring things out, Hong Kong and Japan are rolling out clearer regulations, making them attractive hubs.
It's a very calculated global play. And that theme of building real infrastructure brings us to our final story.
Okay.
While the market was reacting to prices, a massive development happened in the world of DeFi. The lending giant Aave, it officially launched on the Aptos blockchain.
So, for our listeners, what does that actually mean? Why is one protocol launching on a new chain such a big deal?
Okay, think of it like this. Aave is one of the biggest and most trusted banks in the decentralized world.
Okay.
Aptos is a newer up-and-coming city. So when a major bank decides to open its biggest branch in a new city, it's a massive vote of confidence.
Right.
It tells everyone that the city is safe, it's growing, and it's a great place to do business. Aave brings its, $70 billion in assets, its brand, and its users, instantly making the Aptos ecosystem more valuable.
That makes perfect sense. And they're focusing on key assets, right? Stable coins and something called liquid staking tokens, or LSTs.
Exactly. LSTs are one of the most exciting innovations. Imagine you put your money in a long-term savings bond at the bank to earn interest.
Okay.
But the bank gives you a claim ticket for that bond.
Oh, okay, yeah.
With an LST, that claim ticket isn't just a piece of paper. It's a digital token you can then go and use, trade, or invest somewhere else, all while your original money is still earning you that base interest.
So you're earning in two places at once. That's a game changer for making your capital more efficient.
It's the engine of modern DeFi, and Aave bringing that engine to Aptos is going to supercharge its growth. It just shows that even when the headlines are all about price, the real work, The work of building a new financial system is happening quietly in the background.
From macroeconomic shifts to corporate strategy to deep tech integration, it really was a full stack week for crypto.
It certainly was. It leaves us with a lot to think about.
And on that note, here's a question we'd like you to think about this week. As we see major political and business families like the Trumps make these strategic global moves into Bitcoin, and foundational DeFi protocols expand their reach, are we witnessing the final transition of crypto from a niche speculative asset class into a core component of the global financial system? We'll let you ponder that. Thanks for tuning in to the BK Crypto Weekly Roundup.
We'll see you next week.